All right, guys, welcome to today's episode of Quickies. Why should you own an AR-15? All right, there are a plethora of reasons, but most importantly, it's America's gun. It is literally the firearm that you can go into any store, any firearm store, and you can typically find ammunition for it, magazines for it. Often you can find parts for it. Most of our law enforcement agencies also use some variant of an AR-15. Our military uses a variant of an AR-15 or an M4, and it allows us to have a common platform that we can, or a common system that we all have and have the ability to use. And so if you have an AR-15 that also happens to be a mil-spec AR-15, which I recommend if you're buying one, that's the minimum standard you would want to measure up to, then what that means is almost all of the parts, if we're dealing with an impingement, gas impingement system, we can talk about that on another video, almost all of the parts would interchange from one brand to another brand, meaning you could salvage parts from, or cannibalize parts from other firearms to put together one firearm if you had to. I'm sure there's a lot of other reasons, and I hope you guys will post down below. I would love to see who can come up with the most reasons as to why every American should own an AR-15. I will be looking at the post on this particular video. Thanks, take care.